Hi, welcome to a Roboflow training movie. In this training movie, I'm going to talk to talking to Roboflow remotely. Canto Roboflow is a service or a daemon which runs on one of your servers, and sometimes it is installed on the same server as the Cumulus server, or on the same server as the web server, or on a separate server. It is important to know, in this example, it's all running on the same computer. So it is important to know that Roboflow talks to, the web interface of Roboflow talks to Roboflow over a specific port. It uses port 8998. So between the Roboflow server and the web server, these two ports need to be open. So when you are connecting here, you are specifying the address server name of the Cumulus server. But when you are connecting to Roboflow, it uses behind the scenes a stored parameter of the location of your Cumulus server, Roboflow server. That could be a different computer. In this case, it works out of the box because it's both on the same computer, and out of the box it tries with localhost. If you click here, you can see that you have a select menu in which it remembers all the servers that you have Roboflow running on, or that you ever had Roboflow running on. You can have multiple Roboflows running on the same computer. Then they need to be configured to run on different ports. Or you can have it on several servers, on different servers. And this is the way you can switch between them just by typing in the DNS name or IP address. In this case, it works because it's on the same computer, but if you would use an external tool to talk to Roboflow over that same port, it would also try to use that same stored IP address. And in that case, localhost will not work because if it's something called from a Cumulus client and it's talking to Roboflow, then it will not be localhost because it's not installed on that Cumulus client computer. In that case, you should make sure that it's not localhost that is stored here as first IP address. So how you can fix that is you can stop Roboflow. So you can stop here Roboflow service. You must make sure that, of course, it's even better that it is not started yet, and make sure that you have no workflows running. But this is the hard way of doing it. And if I go here, I can say clear server IP list, or I can go here and I can say clear server IP list. So what happens is, if I do that, and the next time I connect, it will just pop up with the failure box, and then I can say, okay, no problem. I can now add the real IP address I want to connect to. So now you have to make sure that Roboflow is running, and then if Roboflow was not on the same computer, then it doesn't matter. It will not have found it anyway, so the localhost will not have worked, and it will not have stored it as primary access to Roboflow. So now I'm clicking connect, and it does find Roboflow automatically. And if you have a look now at your list, you can see that there is only Roboflow in here. There can be multiple servers, but you have to know that an external application connecting to it takes the first available Roboflow entry. So that's why it is so important to have that configured correctly. So that's how that works. That is how You can also imagine that your Roboflow server gets a new DNS name, or your Roboflow server gets a new IP address, and you were connecting over IP, and so you can just as well specify IP addresses. Then this will work as well. Then you can just come here and you can just clear the list and type in the IP address. Thank you for joining this training movie, and see you in the next one.